Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to switch Roblox account on your PC, Mac or Chromebook. Whether you want to log out of one account and sign in into another, we'll show you exactly how to do it. So you can launch the Roblox from your browser or the app depending upon your device. And once you are here, you can go ahead and look out for the gear icon, the settings in the top right corner. Once you find it up, select the settings option from the given menu and open it up. Or you can directly select this option called Switch Accounts on your browser. And there we go. Once you select it, there you'll be finding your account, and apart from that, you'll be finding option for adding an account. So click on Add Account, and once you do so, you will be taken to the login page. Now all you gotta do is enter up your username and your password and look out for this login option on your screen and log in. So you may just go ahead and enter up your credentials here and enter it up. After you confirm it, you will be directly logged into the account that you're trying to log in, like this on your screen, and there we go, you will be logged into the account and switched directly. If you do not want to use this method, you can simply log out from your account, look out for the gear icon in the top right. From there, go to logout option and confirm the logout. Once you are logged out, you can go ahead and use the same process, use your credentials in order to switch your account, and that's it. So that is how you switch your Roblox account on your PC, Mac or Chromebook. Super easy. So if this video helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.